All right, today, people, I got Kool-Aid. Who in the hood don't like Kool-Aid? Everybody likes Kool-Aid. This is a review. So I'm giving you my review on what I think about these chicken wings and these waffles, okay? So you may not like it, you may like it. It don't even really matter. And I say that they delicious. That's the flat. And that's the drum. That's how you eat chicken, people. Quit playing. Salutation, chefs. We in the kitchen again. I'm doing a frozen food review. Today I'm doing chicken and waffles. I'm doing Foster Farms takeout crispy wings. Sweet Chipotle barbecue, just in case you wanted to know. And I got the waffles here, people. It's Pick 5 sweet Belgian waffles. Okay, I toasted the waffles and I baked the chicken wings. And now we're getting ready to go in. Because I know y'all ready to know how this stuff tastes. We're going in with the chicken first. Take a real good look at that. Even though it was oven baked, it still have a crispy skin on it. It's still cooked to perfection because you all know how I cook. And we're going to give it a taste. It's not bad. All right, take a look at that. Look how white that meat is. I mean, and it's spicy and sweet at the same time. Wait a minute. Look. When I say people, hold on. When I say sweet and spicy, I'm talking about you get the tingle in your tongue and you still get that slight aroma of hotness in your nose and nostrils. So you got the sweet and the tingle going on at the same time. Your mouth don't know what to do. In our neighborhood, from where I'm from, we do Mrs. Butterworth or Aunt Jemima. Both of them are good. But this particular time, I'm doing Mrs. Butterworth. We got the Mrs. Butterworth right here. We putting them on these Belgian waffles. Look at that. It's already warm, people. Okay? And we get ready to try these waffles out. Let's see what we got here. All right, take a look at that. And we're going in. Like I said, I put these in the toaster oven. Right off the bat, I get a taste of like almost like cake and waffle at the same time. You know, with the Mrs. Butterworth syrup. So it's sweet and crunchy. Satisfying to the taste buds. Wait a minute. You know, and it's delicious. Put this on your menu and make it for the children. Yeah. This is a very flavorful piece of chicken. And you have the option, is because inside the bag, you get the little sauce pack. Let me get the little sauce pack right here. Thank you so much. This little sauce pack come in the bag with the wings. And it says sweet chipotle barbecue sauce right there on it. You see that? So you got the option if you want to put this up there or not. Because if this is chicken and waffles, people, so you can use your own sauce on it. You can put hot sauce on it, A1 sauce, Heinz 57, ketchup, however you want to do it, according to your fancy. Whatever floats your goat by meat coat. Let me tell you one thing about these wings. This is how you're supposed to eat a piece of chicken. Hold on. Let me show you how this bone is supposed to look after you eat chicken. You see how my bone look? Y'all see that bone? Now some people do their bone like this, with the gristle and stuff still left on it. A professional chicken wing eater, they take all that off. You see that? That's how you eat a piece of chicken. Love the Kool-Aid. It tastes like what?
More.
You mean you want another one?
No.
When somebody said it tastes like more, that mean they want more. Yeah, you get another one, Bob?
No, I'm good.
Sure?
Yeah.